Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight, high-performance racket designed for both beginner and intermediate players seeking to improve their game. It features a titanium-infused frame, which enhances its durability, stability, and power without adding unnecessary weight. The racket is pre-strung, ensuring players can start playing right away. Weighing just 8.9 ounces, 253 grams, the T.S6 is one of the lightest rackets in its class, making it ideal for players who want to generate faster swing speeds and have more maneuverability on the court. The oversized 115 square inch head provides a larger sweet spot, making it easier to achieve powerful shots even on off-center hits. This large head size helps beginner players develop confidence and consistency by offering a more forgiving playing experience. The racket's open string pattern, 16x19, allows for increased spin potential and greater ball control, which helps with both topspin and slice shots. The comfort of the T.S6 is further enhanced by the shock stop technology, which reduces vibrations and provides a softer feel at impact, minimizing strain on the arm and wrist. The Head T.S6 is also designed with an ergonomically shaped grip, ensuring a comfortable hold throughout long matches. Its overall design strikes a balance between power, precision, and comfort, making it a great choice for players who are just starting out or those looking for a racket that combines easy handling with solid performance. Overall, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is a top choice for players seeking an affordable, lightweight, and forgiving racket that doesn't compromise on power or control. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is designed for players seeking a combination of power, control, and comfort in their game. This racket features the latest innovations from Yonex, making it a top choice for intermediate to advanced players who want to enhance their performance on the court. The E-Zone 100 features a 100 square inch head size, which provides an excellent balance between power and control. This head size creates a larger sweet spot, offering more forgiveness on off-center hits. The racket's 16x19 string pattern provides optimal spin potential, allowing players to generate more topspin and slice when needed. One of the key features of the 7th Gen E-Zone 100 is the vibration dampening mesh (VDM) technology, which is integrated into the handle. This technology significantly reduces unwanted vibrations at impact, providing a smoother feel and enhanced comfort, especially for players who experience arm fatigue or discomfort with stiffer frames. The graphite and tungsten construction of the racket ensures excellent stability and power while maintaining a relatively lightweight feel. Weighing approximately 305 grams, unstrung, it offers a good balance of maneuverability and control, allowing players to respond quickly to fast shots and make precise returns. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is designed with an aerodynamic frame, improving swing speed and allowing players to generate more powerful shots with less effort. The ISO technology in the racket's frame helps with a larger sweet spot and better off-center shot response. Overall, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen tennis racket offers the ideal combination of comfort, power, and control for players looking to elevate their game. Its advanced technologies and design features make it a highly versatile racket for competitive play. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is designed for advanced players who value precision, control, and feel. This racket combines Wilson's top-tier technology with a sleek, modern design, making it a popular choice among competitive players looking to elevate their game. With a 98 square inch head, the Blade 98 16x19 offers a more compact sweet spot, ideal for players who prefer a racket that delivers superior control on their shots. The 16 by 19 string pattern allows for greater spin potential, enabling players to generate powerful topspin and slice shots with ease. This makes the racket well suited for aggressive baseline players who need precision and responsiveness. The racket's graphite and basalt construction offers excellent stability and feel, making it ideal for players who demand exceptional feedback on every shot. The braided graphite construction enhances the racket's torsional stability, providing a more consistent response and feel, while the basalt fibers help absorb shock and reduce vibrations, promoting arm comfort during play. Weighing around 305 grams, unstrung, the Blade 98 V9 offers a solid yet maneuverable feel, providing a good balance of power and control for players who excel at placing the ball with precision. Its headlight balance makes it easy to swing quickly, allowing for rapid reactions and improved handling during fast exchanges. The Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 is available in grip sizes 1 to 4, ensuring a customized fit for players seeking the most comfortable hold. Overall, the Blade 98 V9 is a top-performing racket designed for experienced players who prioritize control, precision, and feel in their game. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a blend of power, control, and comfort. Known for its versatile performance, this racket is ideal for players who need a racket that can handle both offensive and defensive styles of play. With a 100 square inch head size, the Blackout 300 offers a generous sweet spot, providing ample forgiveness on off-center hits while maintaining excellent control and precision. The 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing players to generate both topspin and slice effectively. This makes it a great choice for those who rely on spin-heavy shots to control rallies and keep the ball in play. Weighing 300 grams, unstrung, the racket strikes a good balance between maneuverability and stability. The frame's slightly headlight balance allows for quick swing speeds, making it easier for players to react to fast balls and maintain excellent control during rallies. This balance also contributes to a more responsive feel at contact, enhancing feedback on every shot. The Solinco Blackout 300 features a graphite construction that ensures solid stability while remaining lightweight enough for easy maneuvering. The comfortable grip provides a secure hold, reducing vibrations and promoting a more enjoyable playing experience. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a great option for players seeking a highly responsive racket that delivers power and control without sacrificing comfort. Its versatile performance, spin-friendly design, and solid construction make it a standout choice for competitive players. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is a premium racket designed for advanced players who prioritize control, precision, and feel. Known for its legendary performance and iconic design, this racket is ideal for players who rely on high-level technique and demand ultimate responsiveness from their equipment. With a 97 square inch head size, the Pro Staff 97 V14 offers a compact sweet spot, making it a perfect choice for players who prefer precise shot placement and control over power. The 18 by 20 string pattern further enhances control while reducing string movement, allowing for more consistent and accurate shots. This string pattern is particularly suited for players who can generate their own power and prefer to work the ball with precision. Weighing around 315 grams, unstrung, the Pro Staff 97 V14 offers a solid feel and stability without being overly heavy. The headlight balance promotes quick maneuverability, allowing players to react quickly and stay in control during fast exchanges. This balance also aids in maintaining a high level of precision, particularly when executing volleys or delicate shots at the net. The racket features braided graphite construction, enhancing stability and feel on contact while delivering a cleaner response for a more comfortable playing experience. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is designed with classic performance in mind, providing excellent control with a solid connection to the ball. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97V14 is a top-tier choice for skilled players who want a racket that offers unmatched control, precision, and feel, making it a standout option for competitive play at the highest levels.